Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a zipped video file. Zipped video files are a fantastic way to save space on your computer or when sharing large files online. However, you can't play a video directly from a zip archive. You'll need to extract it first, which is a simple process. Let's dive into the steps to get your video ready for viewing. For Windows users, extracting a zip video is straightforward. First, find your zip file in File Explorer. Right-click on it, and you'll see an option to extract all. A wizard will guide you to choose where you want to save the unzipped video. Once you click Extract, your video will be ready in the chosen folder, typically in just a few seconds for smaller files. Mac users have an even simpler experience. Just double-click the zipped video file in Finder. Mac OS's built-in archive utility will automatically handle the extraction for you. The unzipped video file will then appear in the very same folder as the original zip archive. This usually takes only a moment, and then your video is ready to play without any further steps. Once your video is extracted, simply navigate to its new location and open it with your favorite media player, like VLC or Windows Media Player. Remember, the unzipped video will take up more space than the compressed version, potentially several gigabytes. After confirming it plays correctly, you can delete the original zip file to free up storage. Enjoy your video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.